Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of necklaces and how they can truly enhance your style. I'll be showcasing some of the latest trends, tips on how to wear them, and ways to elevate any outfit with the perfect necklace. Let's get started. Here are some creative necklace ideas for a new style: layered chains. Mix different lengths and textures of chains, e.g., delicate gold with chunky silver. For a trendy layered look, nature-inspired, use natural materials like wood, stones, or dried flowers encased in resin for an earthy vibe. Personalized pendants. Create custom pendants with initials, birthstones, or meaningful symbols. Asymmetrical designs. Experiment with asymmetrical shapes or lengths. Combining geometric and organic forms. Colorful beadwork. Use vibrant beads in various shapes and sizes for a playful, bohemian style. Minimalist bar necklace. A simple horizontal bar with engraved coordinates or a date for a sleek, modern look. Fabric and textile. Incorporate fabric or leather elements, weaving them into the design for a unique texture, layered with charms. Add charms representing personal interests or memories, creating a storytelling piece. Here are some tips for designing and creating a stylish necklace. Choose a theme. Decide on a theme: bohemian, minimalist, vintage, to guide your design choices. Color palette. Select a cohesive color palette that complements your personal style and wardrobe. Materials. Experiment with different materials like metals, beads, fabric, or leather for varied textures. Balance. Ensure balance in your design by mixing larger pieces with smaller ones or varying lengths. Comfort. Prioritize comfort. Make sure the necklace sits well on the neck and is not too heavy. Adjustable lengths. Consider using adjustable chains or clasps for versatility in wearing. Layering. Design necklaces that can be layered together for a trendy, stacked look. Personal touch. Incorporate elements that reflect your personality, like initials or meaningful symbols. Prototyping. Create prototypes to test the design and make necessary adjustments before finalizing. Feedback. Seek feedback from friends or potential customers to refine your design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these styling tips, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which necklace style you love the most. Happy designing!